Arm and hand signal. An arm and hand signals is any gesture or motion that conveys information, gives a command, direction, or warning. The use of signal is essential in surveying since it is usually difficult or impossible at times to communicate verbally in the field due to distance, wind conditions, and surrounding noises. Therefore, allowing the survey party members to better communicate with each other. So in this video, a set of arm and hand signal will be demonstrated in which it is used to transmit the following commands. Move right or left. The instrument man uses this signal to direct the rodman to move either to the left or to the right, while the forefinger points out the desired direction of the movement. Give a sight. The right or left hand is raised up and is held for a moment in a vertical position. Alright. The level man extends both arms horizontally and moves them up or down. When both arms are brought still and horizontal, it is meant to transmit a command to hold steady. This is a point. The rodman raises the rod and holds it in a horizontal position over his head. It could also be taken to mean, give me a line. Move back. The instrument man uses the signal to direct the rodman to move back farther. He transmits the command by raising his right hand with the palm facing toward the rodman and then moving it into a horizontal position with his palm face down. Pick up instruments. When a new setup of the level is desired, the chief of party signals the instrument man by first extending both arms downward, then raising them up quickly as though one object is being lifted. Raise or lower target. The instrument man motions to the rodman by either raising his arm above his shoulder to raise the rod, or by dropping his arm below his waist to lower the target. When the raise or lower target approaches the desired setting, the arm is brought back to a horizontal position. Come in. The chief of party or the instrument man uses this signal to direct any member of the survey party to come in or assemble. It is executed by moving the arm into a circular motion starting from below the waist to the front of his face. Plumb the road. The hand is extended vertically above the head and moves slowly in the direction it is desired to plumb the road. Establish a turning point. To establish a turning point, the arm is swung slowly in a circle above the head. This is a turning point. To identify a turning point, the leveling rod or range pole is raised overhead in a horizontal position. It is then lowered into a vertical position and held on the point. Wave the rod. The instrument man holds his arm above his head and continuously waves it back and forth. Face the rod. This is a signal given out by the instrument man to direct the rodman to face the rod towards the line of sight. It is executed by raising both arms above the head and twisting both hands back and forth. Reverse the rod. The command to reverse the rod is transmitted to the rodman by extending the arms above the head and slowly rotating both arms in a circular motion towards one side of the body. Move forward. From a position where both arms are extended horizontally, The arms are slowly bent on the elbows and the hands raised into a vertical position. This signal is used to direct the rodman to move forward. Use the long rod. To give the signal to use the long rod, the instrument man extends both arms downward, then slowly raise it over his head. This is a turning point. To identify a turning point, the leveling rod or range pole is raised overhead in a horizontal position. It is then lowered into a vertical position and held on the point. Error. Codes of hand signals for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, plus